Danger of life, creatures in the rainy season that cats should not go near. It's been raining more and more lately, and it feels like the rainy season has arrived. And the creatures that love the rain are probably frogs, but they can be quite dangerous to cats. The first is Manson's cleft head tapeworm, and if a cat eats a frog or a snake, there is a pretty good chance that it will be infected with this parasite. It is a kind of tapeworm, characterized by its white and squishy appearance. Moreover, this parasite is famous for being difficult to get rid of anyway. It takes 5 times as much medicine to get rid of them as it does to get rid of fleas. So, once infected, it is a big problem. They are basically asymptomatic, so you often notice the infection when you see something that looks like a rubber band in their feces. And since it is possible to infect humans as well, be careful. Next is frog poisoning. Some frogs, like toads, produce a highly poisonous secretion from behind their ears, and ingredients such as bufotoxin can cause intravascular coagulation. Symptoms include increased salivation, foaming, fever, and various other patterns. Basically, cats need to eat frogs and snakes to get infected, so cats should stay indoors. Let's muck around with cats on rainy days. Be careful if you refer to this video.